Hey guys, welcome back to Codesiddhi.space. Alright, so in this video, we'll see how you can purchase a domain and how you can book your web hosting on Codesiddhi.space platform, right? So in our last video, we have seen our introduction video, and in this video, let me just show you a flow on how to purchase a domain or how to purchase a web hosting plan, right? So before you purchase any web hosting plan, web hosting is nothing but a storage that you purchase or that you rent for a year, that you renew every year, or in case if you purchase for a longer period like 2 years or 3 years, it's basically space that you purchase online to host your website, to put your files, website files online, right? So apart from that, just purchasing web hosting is not enough. You need to have a domain name as well. So that, let's say this is codesiddhi.space. If we just purchase web hosting, instead of codesiddhi.space, it will be just an IP address that you need to you will get access to. It's nothing but it's a server address that you will be getting so that you can access your website even using IP address as well. But then the IP address, you will not be able to share it, and it's not an SEO friendly URL as well, right? So you cannot share it to your customers or clients. So in that case, we need to purchase domain as well and connect that particular domain with that particular IP address. In the sense, we connect domain and hosting to make any particular website live, right? So I already hope you already know what is domain and what is web hosting. So now let's go ahead and see what is domain. So how to purchase domain and how to purchase hosting from Codesiddhi.space. And also, before we get started, I would also like to mention that if in case if you have purchased your domain name from any other websites like other domain providers like GoDaddy, Bluehost, Hostinger, or WP Engine, or any other domain name provider, then still you can go ahead and purchase web hosting from Codesiddhi.space and connect your domain that you have purchased from other providers to this particular hosting to make your website go live, right? So there is no restriction as such. You need to purchase domain and hosting both from here itself. No, it's not like that. You can either purchase domain and connect your hosting from any other website, or you can purchase a domain from any other website and connect to the hosting that you have purchased from this website. Both are independent product, right? Perfect. So now I'll just take a scenario where I'll just book domain and web hosting both. All right. So let's say I want to purchase a domain, say, let's say a random domain, Rakesh Python developer. Okay. .com. Okay. So this is the domain name that I would like to purchase. So I'll just type this domain name and click on search domain. So the system will automatically scan and check whether this particular domain name is available for the purchase or not. If it is available, it will show that the rakeshpythondeveloper.com is available. So you can just purchase it for 1,000 rupees. So it is around $10, right? So if you are 10 to $13, I think $13 to $15, I think, in US dollars. So if you're watching this video from outside India, then the currency will be in US dollars. So it's around $10 to $15, right? So yeah, so this particular domain name is available. So what I'll do is I'll simply click on buy now. So what I did is I just added this particular domain name in my cart. So before I proceed to checkout, I'll just go to web hosting as well, and let me add a web hosting plan as well in my cart. So if you're watching the video from outside India, then the prices will be in US dollars. It's around 39, 59, and $99. So it's so if you're just a student or developer who just want to try this platform, then you can purchase this 10 GB plan. And if you are a startup or mission critical business, then you just go with this 50 GB plan. And if you are an established business which has a very high traffic, then and needs huge resources like bandwidth and other security resources, then obviously you should go with business 100 GB plan. That is extremely affordable as compared to the other market providers, hosting providers. So anyways, I'll just go with this 50 GB plan. It is more than enough for any kind of business websites, right? So let me click on subscribe. If you don't want hosting and if you just want to purchase domain, you can just in the last step itself, you can just proceed to the checkout. So right now, uh, 50 GB has been added to your cart. So if you see your order, so first is domain name and second is 50 GB plan. So this renews on November 3rd. This renews on November 3rd. Okay, fine. So yeah. Mm, all right. So now this is a checkout screen. If in case if you want to go to cart and just review your orders once again, anyways, you can see all the order here itself. But in case if you just want to remove or add something, you can go to your cart and check those details. In this final page, you just need to add your details, personal details here. Let me go ahead and check out. Okay, I'll just add my billing details here and just make sure your phone number and email address, these two are correct. Even if your address is not that perfect, that's fine, but at least you just need to enter your phone number and email address perfectly, because our team might try to contact you through your phone or email address for in case if we need any clarification while processing this order. So just make sure that your contact details like phone and emails are extremely important. All right, now so scroll down here on the right hand side, you can see if you have any coupon codes. We keep releasing coupons every week, so make sure you check with the team. You can simply click on this live chat icon and ask our team if there is any active coupon code. If the team shares the coupon code, you can just enter it and claim your discount. Like for every occasions, right? So every 1 month or every 2 month, we keep launching some coupon codes. Just you can just go ahead and contact the live chat support and just see if there is any active coupon codes instead of searching online, right? And this cash on delivery is not available. Just for this recording purpose, for demo purpose, I have enabled this cash on delivery option, but then you will just have this phone pay or PayPal option. If in case if you're purchasing hosting and domain from outside India, then go ahead and make your purchase using PayPal. Okay, yeah, by selecting this PayPal, you can make the payment in US dollars by either using your debit card or credit card or your PayPal account. If in case if you are within India, and then you need to use this phone pay option where you can use UPI, credit card, debit card, net banking, right? So I'll just select cash on delivery for now because these two payment gateways are in the production mode. So I will not be using this two right now. I'll just simply select cash on delivery. So yeah, I'll just click on subscribe. Perfect. So order has been placed now, and this is our success screen. And yeah, now the order has been received by the team, and it will process it. Let me quickly pause this video and show you the dashboard how it will look. And once you log in, right? So you just need to go to your my accounts page. So the account we had already logged in, I guess. Anyways, so you can go to your dashboard. This is the screen, and yeah, and under orders you'll be able to see orders. This is the order that we placed just now, right? So click on view. These are the order details, and here right below this order placed on November 8th, and it is currently in processing. Here you will be able to see the username and password for your hosting and domain. In the sense, basically your control panel login details, you'll be getting it here, right? So, and it will, this message will be gone, and you will be able to see the credentials of your control panel in some time, maybe within an hour or 2 hours. You'll be able to find your credentials here. All right, so let me quickly pause the video and just show you how it will look once the order is processed. All right, so now it's been around 1 or 2 hours, I think so. So if you come back after an hour or two, or else you'll be anyways getting an email notification that the order has been completed, and you can log in to check your credentials. So you just come back here and log into your account, and if you're signing up on Codesiddhi.space for the first time, then obviously you'll get an email to set your password using which you can log into your dashboard from here. And yeah, so now as soon as the credentials are added here in the dashboard, you will again get an email that the credentials have been added. So you can just come back to Codesiddhi.space and go to your dashboard and click on my accounts to log in and check your credentials. So once you log in, you just need to go to orders, and under orders, view order, and this is the area where you'll be able to see. So now let me refresh and see whether my order has been completed or not, have been allocated servers and domains or not. Perfect. So order update. So Friday 8th zPanel login credential. This is the login URL. This is the username, and this is the password that has been given to me. So obviously this username and password is a dummy thing. But still I'll just give you a overview on how it works, right? So what you need to do here is, as soon as the order is completed, the status you can see here is the order has been completed. So the credentials are shared here. So whenever you forget your credentials, you just simply come back to Codesiddhi.space and click on this URL. You'll be able to visit the server control panel through which you can manage your uh, domain and hosting, right? So what you need to do, simply go to sign in here. Okay, so simply click on sign in. So this is the username password that I already have. So what I'll do is I'll sometimes you'll see screen something like this, or else you'll be also seeing the screen like you'll also see sometimes you'll see screen like this. Mostly you'll be seeing screens something like this. This is the cart login screen. Both will take you to the same control panel, so don't worry about these two screens. Okay, so here as well you can log in using your credentials. Here as well you can log in using your same credentials. All right, so now what you can do here is simply click on sign in. The credentials should be the same one that we got it from our dashboard, right? After purchasing. Perfect. So this is our control panel. Here you get all the details and all the user interface through which you can easily manage your servers and domain. So here order services, in the sense these are the services that you can make or purchase, but then the most important thing is managed services. So this is the hosting that has been allocated. If the domain is allocated, if you remember, I have used the different credentials, right, that has been allocated. So uh, right now under this particular credentials I have been assigned only hosting. So if you have any domains as well assigned, you will get to see the domain option here beside this hosting. So if you just need to click on hosting, go to your hosting, and then you can manage your servers here. Anyways, these things you don't have to worry, or you don't have to stress out all these options. We'll see one by one. So this is it for this video. So what did we learn here is, first thing, um, once you purchase a domain or once you purchase hosting, you sign up or sign in, right? So if you're signing up for the first time, you'll get the link to set your password and log in back to your dashboard of the Codesiddhi.space website. Once you log in, you get your credentials within 1 or 2 hours, and use those credentials to log into your server, right? This is a URL, server login URL, and through which you can log in. And your dashboard will look something like this, right? This is the client area, in the sense your dashboard for server and domain management. And how to manage your server, how to manage your domains, how to manage file manager, how to create email accounts, how to manage SSL certificates, all those things will be, I will teach you how to do that. All those things already we have any multiple KB videos as KB articles as well, but again I'll show you in video guide as well in our future videos. So this is it for this video. Thank you very much for watching. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask me in the comment section, right? So thank you very much for watching. Have a great day. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you.